Okay, today we're going to be talking about the drip coffee maker that's red, and it comes, it's a 12 cup. Now, this is branded a little bit differently, but you can see it's the exact same coffee maker, which is what manufacturers do sometimes is they make it for, one manufacturer will make it for a bunch of different companies. But anyway, you can see, love the classy look of it. The red look is going to give a nice accent to any kitchen anywhere, and I just think that the red and the black together is really, really nice. So definitely go check it out.